turned up to this one, this has popped off of here and water was shooting up. So what we're going to do, we're not just going to push that on, we're going to actually change it. I'm going to change it for this Skylo 4-in-1. So we can use that as an angled fill valve and it will fit in that gap. So I'm just going to turn the water off. Just here. We turn that down a bit, I'll show you. Yeah, it's like that. You can turn that up a bit. Might even be gravity this, you know. Oh, definitely shooting up everywhere. That was lucky. Turn that off and let's mop this up. Just chuck that there. Lovely. Right, let's get this changed over. So what we're going to do is grab yourself your grips, your Temu grips, and dry this nut off. And that's not leaking, I've just sprayed it everywhere. But what we're going to do is going to grab hold of the plastic thread with this, and then with our adjustable, just going to undo this nut ever so slightly. Because it's a push fit connector, it should have rubber in it already. So we undo this here. Yeah, so it's got this black rubber here. So we don't need to change that for a fresh rubber. We're going to undo this. Our grips, make these all adjustable spanner. Open that a bit wider. Undo that. And spin that out like so. Spin that out all the way. Like that. And remove that. And put that in the sink. Just to drain out. Right, then we're going to grab Lightning Viva 4-in-1. These are the best fill valves on the market today. Definitely. If you plug one in the van like this, this is what's just happened. Had this on the van. Get you out of two situations at the same time. Or even three if you go to a new build and using 3/8. It comes with 3/8 one, which we never use. Comes with a flow restrictor for high pressure and low pressure. And then it comes with obviously the thread size you need. So we need a 1/2 inch thread. It comes with an O-ring on here. Just going to push that in and then wind that in. Then like so. So this is for the bottom entry, you just wind that in there. And then for a side entry that we need, you then go up the top here. There's another 3/8 hole or whatever size this thread is. And you just got to push it in exactly the same. Spin that in there. So it'll start to lock. Just give that 3 turns after it's starting to lock. That'll lock in place. Undo this nut. And because this, I believe, yeah, is a gravity system, you're going to have to take out this, undo that, there's a check valve in it, and you can just leave that in, or take that out, or just put the strainer in, like so. So you've got a double check valve and strainer in there, just to protect it, but you've taken out any pressure reducing stuff, or anything like that. You can also turn this 180 degrees, so you can have it straight or to one side, and because it's got its protective cup, you don't move it's what's inside. As long as that's free, you should be alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure your connection here is tight, and then you're going to place it in, take that white bar, place that in so it's nice and flat, push that over and grab your nut, wind that on like so. Make sure this doesn't have to be too tight because there's actually no water going up this high, but just at finger tight. doesn't have to be too mad. That should be okay, but you can obviously, if you want, just give it a quarter turn with your spanner, like so. Make sure that's all free, and then you can connect this back on, like so, and wind that on, like that. So that's that done. That is the new fill valve done. Just grab yourself a bit of tissue. Got some tissue just to wipe all the joints, just to make sure everything's nice and dry. Give that a nip up. Because it's a rubber, you don't have to go too crazy. Like so. That done and all dry. You can turn that on, like so. That'll fill in here. And of course, we've got to adjust the height of this one to go a bit lower. We're just gonna screw that, unscrew that till it fills to about there. Give it a flash. Because they've got these got delayed fill on them, it takes a while to come in. This is going to take a while to fill up because it is a gravity system coming from the tanks in the loft. So yeah, come back in a minute and we'll see it being turned on. That's nearly there. Nearly there. So it'll run over the cup and then fill the cup and it'll turn off. So it's running over the cup now. Lifts the float valve up, turns the water off. So that's that. That is such a good thing. Viva, one of the best. Just check for leaks while the water's now shut off there. So this is now up to pressure. Also, you get your Pro Points, which you can use to buy merch, such as get hoodies, hats, footballs. There's all sorts on the website. It's just another added bonus on my. I use Viva. It's not the main reason I use Viva. It's just a good product, not paid by them or anything. I've been using them for years, going on probably 8 years now. But yeah, very good product. Highly recommend. Always have in your van. Their flush valves are good as well, and also their complete systems are the best. If you're fitting a new build or a new system, go for their complete systems. Comes with a flush valve, long cable. I think you get a 4-in-1 fill, but it's plastic. You get the button adapter. You get quite a lot. I think they're only about £40 as well. Well worth the money. Probably the same price as a like Thomas Dudley Niagara flush valve on its own. But yeah, this is all done. Just going to put all this back together. Yeah, I hope you've liked the video. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps promote the channel. Leave a comment if you've got any comments about what I've done or anything, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. But for now, enjoy the sun and have a good day.